Hello all, welcome to the Fusion or Apps tutorial. In this video, you will understand with the help of an SQL query how can you retrieve the data from the database in Fusion Cloud applications. Okay, this is similar to the way that we used to retrieve the data in EBS with the help of Toad or an SQL developer. Let's log into the application to understand how can we write a query and retrieve the data. Log into the application and go to the navigator and select reports and analytics work area. Click on browse catalog and navigate to new section and select data model. A data model will help you to write the query to retrieve the data from the Fusion Cloud database. Click on plus drop down list under diagram to select SQL query, and here write a header query, give a name which is identical to the query that you're writing, and select the database source is application database Fusion SCM, and it is different for HCM and CRM since they are two different clouds. Select it and select the type as standard SQL. Write your query. Okay, so I'm now writing a query to retrieve the data from PO headers all table. Click on OK to complete your query, which will get validated, and if there is any error or incorrect typing of the name of the table, the system will immediately let you know that there is no table or view exists. Now we can be able to see the columns exist in this particular table which can be viewable. Now you can also adjust the columns here and there for your flexibility the way now I'm doing it. I'm just updating or just adjusting the segment 1 after the PO headers ID column. Go to the structure and you can change the tag name here to your preference ones which can be viewable. Into the output, go to the data and click on view. So this will show the query records. Click on table view to find out in a table, and you can also adjust the number of rows that can be published in a page. Just select and click on view again. To create this as a report, you can be able to save this particular data as a sample data first. Just save it and save this particular query, which would be saved in your folders as a data model and helps you to retrieve whenever you want the data. You can create a new folder and or save it in the existing folders of your reports and analytics work area of OTBI. Just click on plus to create a new folder, and here I'll create a new folder under which let me add the data model name with status. Let me retrieve the purchase orders with the status. Okay, so now I'll click on create report. Once my data model is saved, which has got my query to retrieve the data, now a data model is by default selected because which is helping us to create the report. You can also upload from spreadsheet or use a subject area to create a new report. Now you can see the page. So find out or just select what is that the page option you would like to set up, whether it's in portrait or landscape mode, and you would like to have a header and footer, just select it. And in the layout, what is that the dimensions that you would like to view, whether it's a simple table or only chart, or if it's a pivot table in case of a different type of a data which you're exporting, or if it is a chart and table where you can be able to find both chart and as well as table. Just click on next. Now you will be able to find the different types of charts here, which are a bar one and a line one and a pie chart. Okay, so you can be able to drag the columns which you would like to view it in a chart. Just drag it. For an example, I would like to see segment 1 at the drop value here and the type of that particular document and its status in the chart. Okay, so come down here and find that relevant. Okay, so the type of the document and also the status of the document. So this way you will be able to see the documents which are in open, closed, and the type of document here. You can also navigate to a pie chart which will be able to show you details like this. You can preview the report from here, which will show the preview in an interactive viewer. Okay, so like this. So go back and click on next. You can find the table then which is in the best viewable and which is sorted by the type of the document and with the status. You can also preview this. Just click on next to continue. So now you can view this particular report by just clicking on finish. Just click on finish and you can save this. So since this is a report, you can say your headers data with status. Click on OK, and there's a data model which shows an item. Do you want to overwrite? Yes, no problem. Now you can see the report which displays the table and as well as a chart. This way you will be able to find all the documents with the status, and you can also be able to use this particular report to run on a scheduled intervals the way we schedule a program. Okay, so that is also possible. Okay, so this is how you can be able to retrieve the data from the backend with the help of OTBI, and you can visualize, okay, which can be in a very much presentable manner. Thank you all for your video. Thank you all for watching. So for more Fusion SCM cloud related videos, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.